Hello, guys, and welcome back to Learning English Through Stories, Episode 9. So, let's get started. In a small village nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived an old watchmaker named George. George was a kind and gentle soul, with a heart of gold and mind full of wonder. He spent his days tinkering with timepieces, bringing joy and precious to the villagers. One day, a young boy named Max wandered into George's shop, fascinated by the intricate mechanism and ticking clocks. George took Max under his wing, teaching him the art of watchmaking and sharing stories of his own adventures. As the years passed, Max became a skilled watchmaker in his own right. But he never forgot the lessons he learned from George. When George grew old and frail, Max took over the shop, continuing the legacy of precision and kindness. Years later, a stranger came to the village, seeking a watchmaker to repair a rare and precious timepiece. Max worked tirelessly to restore the clock to its former glory. And as he did, he felt George's presence, guiding his hands and warming his heart. The stranger, it turned out, was George's own grandson, come to reconnection with his family's past. Max and the grandson share stories of George's life and legacy, and the old watchmaker's spirit lived on, taking away in the hearts of those he touched. If you enjoyed this story, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest stories. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. Take care.